Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I partnered with Naturall Club today to bring you this video. I will be doing a review for their flaxseed gel, their new flaxseed gel styling line. I'm starting off with the damaged hair solution. I have already done a review for this, so click the link if you'd like to know more. And right now I'm just showing you how I prepped my hair before styling. I used the cleansing avocado shampoo, followed by the hydrating avocado conditioner, and finally I used the avocado leave-in conditioner to prep my hair and get it ready for styling. Click the link for the full review of this line. As always, it left my hair super moisturized and hydrated and ready to be styled. Today I'm going back to Old Faithful, which is the mini twist. I used to do mini twists all the time, starting off on my natural journey, and I always use flaxseed gel to do it. So today we're going to be doing a review for the Extreme Hold Flaxseed Gel from Naturall Club. I am super excited to give this a try because they actually use handmade flaxseed gel in this product. How cool is that? You know you're getting fresh ingredients. Now, this product does not need to be refrigerated. There are other ingredients like the yogurt powder that's going to help with moisturizing and defining your curls. So yeah, you can definitely leave this out of the refrigerator, unlike their damaged hair solution or deep conditioners, which have to be refrigerated. But at any rate, I'm super excited to have a gel, a natural fresh gel that I can have access to at any given time. And look at these twists already, you guys. Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna go into too many details about my mini twist. I have a video on how I do my mini twist. Just click the link up above and you can watch that here. Yeah, so first impressions, I'm absolutely obsessed with this flaxseed gel already because it dries super fast. Now, one thing about my mini twists in the past, they take forever to dry. Forever. This, as I'm completing a section, the other section is already 50% dry. Another thing that's awesome is that it helps elongate your curls. So because it's dry faster, you don't have to get as much shrinkage. Look how beautiful this is. Just beautiful compared to the other side. You can tell that it's not as shrunken as it probably would have been if I used a different type of gel. So yeah, I'm really loving it so far, you guys. What do you think? Alright, so as you guys already know about me, I am heavy-handed when it comes to using products. So I definitely used a whole lot of flaxseed gel in the front of my hair, but I didn't use that much in the back of my hair. So the back of my hair definitely was not as crunchy as the top, but you can kind of see how the front part is just a little bit stiff. Even the next day is a little stiff. So what I end up doing is using the pure avocado oil to help loosen it up, and that definitely did the trick there. It softened it up and gave it a little extra shine. So yeah, just be careful with how much you use. This is the extreme hold. If you want a little softer hold, you probably want to use the curl custard rather than the extreme. However, despite it being a little stiff, it wasn't flaky. Now, there were some parts where I overdid it and I probably had like a tiny bit of white residue, but like I said, the avocado oil cleared that up right away, and that was definitely on me that I used too much. But there was no flakiness though. There was no flakes falling out and all over the place here and there. So that's one good thing I can say about this gel opposed to other gels. Yeah, the biggest pro is definitely the definition and how fast this gel dries, you guys. When I do mini twists, it usually takes me over a day. If I use my regular homemade flaxseed gel, it takes over a day for it to dry. This dried. I woke up the next morning, it was dry. So yeah, in extreme definition, extreme. I'm obsessed and I love it. Hey guys, here are the results of my mini twist out, and I'm obsessed with these curls. Not to the fault of Naturall Club, definitely my fault because I put way too much in the front, hence is why it's kind of crunchy up in the front. But I put a little oil, and you guys, it is definitely working just fine. Just loving it. So what I've been doing to kind of help with some of the whiter spots is using a little bit of the avocado oil, and I'm just scrunching it through my hair, and that kind of helps with that part, and it actually helps loosen up some of the crunchier parts where I use too much of the flaxseed gel, and makes it a lot softer. Now in the back, oh my god, it's super soft, you guys. It doesn't even feel like I have gel on my hair in the back. As you can see, the curls are there. The best definition just definitely comes from flaxseed gel, and also mini twists, you guys. Mini twists just give you the best definition ever. Look at that. Usually if you watch my older video from then to now, oh my god, the health of my ends are ridiculous. Look how curly they are. Y'all, this flaxseed gel is ridiculous. It definitely gives you extreme hold, better than any gel I've ever used. And I don't use gels often, but when I do, I use my homemade flaxseed gel. This is the next best thing, if not better, because you don't have to worry about making the flaxseed gel yourself. You can trust in the fresh made ingredients that are inside of here. I'm a firm believer in flaxseed gel. I know it works. I have used it in the past, but this takes it to a whole nother level, and I think it has a lot to do with the other ingredients as well with the flaxseed gel, and that is the yogurt powder that they use inside of here as well. It gives you that moisture, so it keeps your hair from being crunchy and all that stuff like that if you're not using too much. Like I said, this is the extreme hold, so that is the extreme hold. So if you use a lot, then yeah. So the next one that I did not use was the flaxseed curl custard. I have used a custard from them before that worked really well. It gives you a really nice soft hold. Now this one also has the yogurt powder in there, so I don't know if this is gonna give you as much as a hold as the flaxseed gel does. I did not test this out, but if you guys would like to see a review where I test this out against the other flaxseed gel, just leave a comment down below and I definitely will do that for you guys. But yeah, I definitely want to try this out. I would love to try this out, but I just wanted to really test out the flaxseed gel extreme hold and see if it would hold up, and it definitely did. So okay, the last thing that we're gonna go over is the extreme hold flaxseed gel edge control, and it also has the yogurt powder in there, and this is also 24-hour extreme hold. Edge controls never work for me. I just have those type of edges that just defy nature. They do not want to do anything that they're supposed to do, it or I want them to do. When it comes to edge control, it never works for me. Never. So we're going to try this out and see exactly how well it works for me, okay? So yeah, the biggest problem when it comes to edge control is I don't know how to do my edges anyway, so that's the first problem. It probably would be so bad if I knew how to do my edges. I don't know how to do edges, y'all. Like, my edges are just, they always shot. In every video they're shot. Just shot. Okay, so it's definitely a hold there. It doesn't feel like it's turning into an oil like a lot of edge controls that I have tried in the past. They turn into like this oil or whatever after a few seconds, and it loses all of its hold. So yeah. So yeah, you guys, I'm definitely not mad at it. I'm loving it right now. I like the edge control. I feel like it's definitely holding my untamed edges. So I definitely don't know if it's gonna last the whole day, but I definitely will see. And if it does, I'll probably do like an update in the description box, or I will do an update on Instagram or something like that to see how well it worked out for me, okay? So I want to say thank you to Naturall Club once again for sponsoring this video and sending me these amazing products, you guys. But they also want to give back. Yes, it's another giveaway, you guys, and you have the chance to win the entire flaxseed gel line. So that's the regular flaxseed extreme hold gel. Then you also will be able to get the curl custard and the edge control, you guys. So if you want to try these products out, only thing you have to do is do everything down in the description box right now. Go enter the giveaway. That's it. All the information will be down in the description box below, and you'll have a chance to win these awesome products and give it a try yourself. Maybe try out this exact style, or maybe try a wash and go, who knows, whatever you want to do. and I want you guys to try it. So go down to the description box right now and enter. And I'm also gonna have a bonus entry on Instagram, so go follow me on Instagram so you can do that bonus entry for your opportunity to win, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Go follow me on Instagram and all that good stuff. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions about this hairstyle or the Flaxseed gel line. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.